Supreme Court clears path for Trump's migrant deportations to South Sudan. The controversy unfolds. CNN. In a bold move, the Supreme Court has authorized the Trump administration to deport a group of migrants to South Sudan. These migrants, previously held for weeks in a military base in Djibouti, have now been granted clearance to be moved following the High Court's recent decision. But here's where it gets controversial. A dramatic twist came shortly before the decision when a lower court suspended the migrants' deportation, prompting the administration to request an emergency ruling from the Supreme Court. Ultimately, the court sided with the administration despite two liberal justices expressing dissent. The Supreme Court clarified that its earlier decision supported the administration's actions completely, disregarding a lower federal judge's order which demanded further legal proceedings for 8 of the migrants, some of whom hail from Cuba, Vietnam, and Laos. The migrants were initially held in converted shipping containers in Djibouti before their deportation. While the majority ruled that the previous injunction could not force compliance due to their stay, Justice Elena Kagan, a member of the court's liberal side, concurred with the decision, albeit with reservations. Homeland Security spokesperson Tricia McLaughlin confirmed that the deported migrants would arrive in South Sudan by Friday. She emphasized the administration's commitment to maintaining law, safety, and security. This message was echoed by Attorney General Pamela Bondi, who celebrated the Supreme Court's action as a decisive move against a rogue district judge. However, the decision didn't go unchallenged. Justices Sotomayor and Ketanji Brown-Jackson strongly disagreed, warning that deporting these individuals could expose them to severe dangers back in South Sudan. Sotomayor expressed concern over the lack of safeguards against potential torture and stressed the alarming power dynamics between the administration and district courts. This legal battle highlights the ongoing tensions between enforcing immigration laws and addressing humanitarian concerns. What are your thoughts on balancing legal enforcement versus human rights in such complex situations? Share your opinions, and let's keep the conversation going. The situation in South Sudan remains critical, marked by severe food shortages and political unrest. Nations refusing to accept their nationals pose new challenges to deportation processes. As the Trump administration continues pushing for quick deportations, it demonstrates a crucial intersection of immigration policy, international cooperation, and human rights standards. The issue remains a vital part of the broader discourse on balancing rule of law and universal human dignity.